Alright, everyone, keep your aptitude text ready with you. Yes? Keep your aptitude textbook ready, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, in our previous class, we have done chapter 6, patterns, right? Chapter 6, patterns we have done. Today we are going to solve chapter number 7, puzzle time. Are you all ready? Yes. Where's bro? Sam bro? Coming, on the way. Everyone, please keep your aptitude textbook open, page number 18, chapter number 7, puzzle time. Keep a pencil ready with you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Fiona.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Princey? Everyone check out page number 18, chapter 7, puzzle time. Ready, everyone? Say yes or no so that I can start.
Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Very good. Bhavika. Let's start with the first one. Okay? Here we have given 6 glasses. Right? Out of these 6 glasses, 3 glasses are having Coke inside and 3 glasses having water inside. Now we have been asked to shift only 2 glasses so that we can arrange 3 glasses of Coke together and 3 glasses of water together, like that. Okay, downside is the arrangements of glasses we have given. Only 2 glasses we have to shift. 3 glasses of water together, 3 glasses of Coke together, like that. And we have just 2 glasses to move to make the glasses look like these. Okay? So, which 2 glasses will lift?
First one, second one, fourth.
Yes, second and fourth glass. सेकेंड ग्लास को हम फोर्थ की जगह पे रखेंगे और फोर्थ वाले को सेकेंड वाले की प्लेस पर अगर हम रख देंगे तो ऑल द ग्लासेस विल लुक लाइक अ गिवन पिक्चर. Yes, so circle number 2 glass and number 4 glass. Just put a circle on both the glasses. We need to shift from its place, right? Yes, just put a circle. and we get to know that these are two glasses we need to shift from places. All right, everyone? Is that puzzle clear with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, the same with your friends also. Just take 6 glasses and ask them to arrange it in such a way, right? You can put different things inside to play it in a better way, right? Let's see the second one. You are given 2 square photo frames. Now we need to put these 2 photo frames in such a way that we can form 3 squares out of 2 squares. Right? 2 square shape we are already having, and we have to make 3 squares. So how will we arrange these 2 photo frames, sorry. Can any one of you show us? Dhyani, Karya? Dhyani?
Yes, ma'am. Now, question 1
Can
number
you 1 Dhyani, can you show us how can we make 3 squares out of 2 squares?
1, ma'am. मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 दिखाओ. मैम
Okay, mute yourself now. Alright, just see here. You can draw it like this, or you can put these square photographs on each other like this, so that you can form 2 P squares. Okay, if we are putting these photographs on each other like this, we will be. Can on already? You check your phone. Serious.
हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 नहीं दिख रहा.
बच्चा कंप्लेन कम कीजिए और ध्यान यहाँ पर दीजिए. If we put these photo frames on each other like this, so we can make 3 squares. 1, 2 and 3 squares. दोनों को एक दूसरे के ऊपर इस तरह से अगर हमने रखा तो 3 squares हम बना सकते हैं. Understood? Who is continuously complaining about first and second question still? Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Yes, Mahil. Any problem is there?
Ma'am, I cannot see. First one में आंसर क्या आएगा? I cannot see.
अभी तक फर्स्ट ब्रिंसी अभी तक आपका फर्स्ट वन क्लियर नहीं हुआ है. What exactly you are doing there?
मैम पर आपका नेटवर्क छोटा है.
Stop complaining continuously. You need to look when the camera is on.
मैम आपका वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा और आवाज भी नहीं आ रही.
Very good. Keep complaining, बच्चा.
मैम पर आपका आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा.
Then how can you listen whatever I have said, beta? If you are not listening to me.
मैम आप क्या कह रहे हो? मैम आप क्या कह रहे हो?
Okay, Bhavika Sinha, Fiona Patel. Can you see, beta?
Yes,
You have solved it. 2 puzzles, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good, बच्चा.
मैम आपका वॉइस.
Number 3. All of you look at number 3. You are given 3 circles. Put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 into the square so that the numbers on each circle add up to the same amount. Now here we have given 3 circles and each circle is having 2 squares on them. Right? हर एक circle shape पर there are 2 small squares given to us. Right? On both the squares in each circle we have to put numbers in such a way कि हर एक सर्कल के ऊपर जो भी स्क्वायर है उनका सम यानी कि उनका टोटल सेम आए. Okay, now see here I am going to show you and how to do this. Here you can see the 2 squares we put here. 1 and 6 on the circle. On the second circle, on the third circle. So that each circle plus 4, 7 and plus 2, 7. Okay. हर एक सर्कल के अंदर 2 squares है. Same है. 1, 3, 4, 2 and 5 on the third one. तो हर एक सर्कल पर 7 टोटल आ जाएगा. Understood properly? क्यों ना पटेल?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear बेटा? Next, Agashika Sherishya. Reply with yes or no, students, if you have done this.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Bachcha, whether you have done or time, please. Move to number 4.
दिख रहा है पूरा.
Okay, beta. Thank you. Let's see number 4. Only 4 numbers 12, 3, 6 and 9 are written on the face of a clock. Draw a dotted line on the face of the clock so that the sum of numbers on each side is equal. We have to divide these 4 numbers given on the face in such a way that line की both the side पर total same ही आए. जो भी digits वहाँ पर है उनका total यानी का sum same आए. See like this. We can go like this.
Ma'am, your screen is blurred.
Very good. Twelve plus 3, 15 and 9 plus 6, 15. Like this. We can draw a line right in between. So on both the sides 15 total equal.
मैम आपने जो लाइन बनाई है वो 4 के सामने वाला नंबर कौन सा है?
Pavika Sinha?
Yes,
Pavika?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Have you draw the line, beta? Have you draw the line like this, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood it properly, beta?
मैम मैं समझ तो गई लेकिन जो आपने हमें 4 लिखवाया है उसकी लाइन के दूसरा वाला नंबर कौन सा है?
कहाँ 4 लिखवाया बच्चा? मैंने 4 बोला ही नहीं है। कहाँ है दिखाइए बेटा। 4 numbers, total number 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers are given on the face of clock, and we have to divide and make a line in such a way कि both the sides total must be same. 12 plus 3 15 and 9 plus 6 15. तो इन 4 numbers को हमने 2 में इस तरह से डिवाइड किए कि उनका सम सेम हो गया। अंडरस्टूड?
Yes ma'am, understood.
Ma'am, they are searching for 4 numbers.
मैम अभी भी समझ नहीं।
Very good, Mahir Gajjar, expected. Listen बेटा, बच्चा सुन तो लो। Four numbers here. We have 98 total यानी कि माहिर if you will continuously interrupting me like this, how will be I able to explain you in proper way? Okay, the students Nakshagara, Ishika, Shedasya and Pant Boranya, all of you have done the question or not?
Yes ma'am, done.
So have you understood it properly?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am, done.
Okay, so Ishika, Shedasya,
Yes ma'am.
if you have understood this question number 4 properly, can you show us in your textbook how you have done this?
Ma'am, principal done.
I didn't ask you, Brincy. Ishika, please show us.
Yes ma'am.
Ishika, can you show and explain? Can't see anything, beta. Okay, leave it. Any other student can show their textbook and how they have drawn the line? Can you explain? Bhavika?
Yes ma'am.
Bhavika Sinha, can you show us, beta?
What ma'am?
Question number 4, beta.
Okay ma'am.
Very good. Have you understood how we have drawn these lines? Can you explain in your words? Bhavika?
Yes ma'am.
Can you explain why we have drawn line like this? क्यों हमने इस तरह से लाइन ड्रॉ किया है?
मैम क्योंकि हम लोग ने है ना ये डिवाइड किया है इसलिए हम लोग ने लाइन बनाई है।
ओके, और किस तरह से डिवाइड किया है बच्चा?
मैम टेबल से।
क्यों ऐसे डिवाइड किया है बेटा? Sum of numbers must be equal on each side, right? So have you tried adding up the numbers on both the sides? कितना टोटल हो रहा है बच्चा? The total of both the sides is
what ma'am?
Oh भगवान, the question says on the both the sides the numbers are total must be same. Is this the same on both the sides, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
कितना टोटल है बेटा दोनों साइड पर?
1 minute, ma'am.
ये क्लास है कि क्या है? See here, this side 90 is 18 and 12 plus 16 on this side of 90. So 90 both the sides, the total of number. ये बच्चे आज कंप्लेन करने के मूड में ही है. Any of the student is able to listen me properly? Reply with yes or no. Who can get my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am. Mal Gajjar.
Mahal Gajjar.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Vinikarya.
Okay. Vinikarya, have you understood the question 4, beta?
What, ma'am?
Have you understand question number 4, beta? Seriously? The previous class was so better. Yes, expected. Please speak up quickly.
And what is the meaning of dotted?
Dotted means dot से बना हुआ, like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Nonsense, students. Seriously. In previous class, students were replying and explaining so well about each and every puzzle. And this class is unbelievable. Anyways, let's see the last remaining puzzle in chapter 7, puzzle time. There is a figure given to us. This figure is a hexagon. It's already they are not understanding, but please stay quiet. This figure is a hexagon, means 6-sided, right? It has 9 dots on it. Draw the 3 straight line segments inside it to divide the dots equally. 9 dots को 3 पार्ट्स में इस तरह से डिवाइड करना है बच्चा कि हर साइड पर इक्वल नंबर ऑफ डॉट्स आए. Right? So we have to draw just 3 lines on this shape. Just look properly how 3 lines will draw. Line number 1, line number 2, 3, like this. One from here to here, and number downside. It will look like a dice only. Line 1, line 2, and line 3. Oh, done? Is it done with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
3 lines only we have drawn. 1, 2, and 3. So each side 3 dots are there. 3 dots here, 3 dots on this side, and 3 dots on this side. Done, beta?
21 you. Then for second note
Yes, Fiona, what happened, beta?
मैम आपका वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा है.
Okay, very good. number 18. Chapter number 7 is done with everyone.
Yes,
Chapter 7 is
no, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Chapter number 7 is done. Ma'am, chapter number 7 is done.
all right, everyone. See you in the next class next week. Have a nice day to all of you.